That is actually a really good point. So check this out. If I hook up this blue LED to this meter on the left, this yellow meter on the left, I'm not going to say the brand name because of reasons, but I have it in that diode mode. Look, it's reading OL. So you would assume, oh, this is a bad LED. But watch, I'm going to leave it hooked up to this diode, and all I'm going to do is switch these meter leads to this other meter. And now the LED lights up and I get a voltage reading. This LED is obviously good. You can see it glows. So what's going on? If you remember from the previous video when I was talking about diodes and how it only allows current to flow in one direction, so it's like that one-way gate analogy I was using. Well, in order to open that gate, you need so much voltage applied to it. So current is still only allowed to travel in one direction, but in order to even travel in one direction, you need to have enough voltage applied to get that gate open. When you put your meter in this diode mode and you're going to test a diode, remember it's measuring the voltage drop across that diode. So voltage is actually being applied, it measures that voltage drop and gives you the voltage measurement. That's how you test if the diode is good. But again, if you don't have enough voltage, that gate's not going to open. So I have this meter set into that diode mode. I'm going to put this meter into read voltage. And check this out. So this meter, the yellow meter, is putting out 2.371 volts. But I've got this flipped around, so this meter is now in the diode mode. This meter is reading DC voltage. So I'll hook these meter leads up, and you can see this meter is putting out more voltage, 3.305 volts. So depending on your meter, when you put it in that diode mode, you're gonna have to read through the specs and whatnot. Your meter may actually give you a false reading saying that the diode is bad when it's really not. It's just not applying enough voltage to open that gate. In my case, with these blue LEDs, this meter is not able to put out enough voltage to actually get a reading. For some reason, these blue LEDs require more voltage to get that gate open. But this meter does put out more voltage, lights up the LED, and reads the voltage drop across it.